655 people told us exactly what Masterforce is worth. Not YouTube reviewers, not sponsored content. Real professionals, real homeowners, 40-year carpenters and first-time DIYers, all in the same comment section, all asked the same question. And after reading every single response, the answer is not what either side expected. This is the debate the Menards video started, and the comment section just finished it. Before this gets into the data, here is what most people getting this wrong have in common. They are comparing Masterforce to Milwaukee as though those two tools are being used the same way, by the same person, for the same number of hours per week. They are not. And the moment you understand why that matters, the entire debate resolves cleanly, specifically, and with no brand loyalty required. Masterforce Boost is Menards' brushless, cordless lineup, launched in earnest around 2022. It is manufactured by Chervon, a Shenzhen-based OEM that also produces the Flex FX professional platform, the EGO Pro battery outdoor equipment line, and previously made tools under the Skill and Craftsman names. Chervon is not a budget manufacturer. Its Flex FX lineup is benchmarked directly against Milwaukee M18 Fuel by trade publications and reviewed by professional electricians and plumbers as a genuine competitor. The factory-making Masterforce Boost is, in many product categories, the same factory-making tools that professionals already trust under different names. Pro Tool Reviews, which tests tools for a contractor audience and has no affiliation with Menards, assessed the current Masterforce Boost lineup and concluded that performance levels are on par with what professionals need to get the job done. The brushless impact driver delivers torque competitive with mid-tier professional tools from established brands. The circular saw uses metal blade guard construction matching premium models. The 3-year warranty is handled over the counter at any Menards location with no shipping, no wait time, and no service center. So why are professionals walking past Menards and driving to Home Depot? The answers showed up in the comment data with a consistency that was impossible to ignore. 3 professional voices, none of whom coordinated with each other, all landed on the same line. A 40-year professional carpenter wrote that what Menards sells is happy homeowner quality. A contractor wrote that they always drive past Menards and go to Home Depot or Lowe's for tools. A professional who runs tools in a machine shop environment confirmed that a $20 Masterforce corded drill purchased in 2002 is still running, but noted it is used for light deburring work, not production drilling. 3 different tradespeople, 3 different trades. The same conclusion expressed 3 different ways. Here is what that conclusion actually means, because it is not what the Milwaukee defenders think it means, and it is not what the Masterforce loyalists think it means either. Duty cycle. That is the variable everyone is missing. A Milwaukee M18 Fuel drill is engineered to run at high load for 6 to 8 hours per day, 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. The motor windings, the bearing tolerances, the battery cell chemistry, all of it is specified for sustained professional duty cycle. The price reflects that specification. At $249 for a drill driver kit, you are not paying for torque numbers. You are paying for the engineering margin that keeps the tool alive under conditions that would kill a consumer tool inside 6 months. Masterforce Boost is not built to that duty cycle specification. It does not need to be for the customer Menards is actually serving. A homeowner running a drill for 45 minutes on a Saturday renovation is not stressing the motor the same way a production framer is. A plumber doing a bathroom rough-in over 2 days is not stressing the battery the same way an electrician wiring a commercial building is. The tool that fails under professional daily load is the same tool that runs for 22 years in a machine shop doing light deburring work twice a week. This is not a flaw in Masterforce's design. It is a feature of its positioning. The commenter who reported losing over $4,000 in dead Milwaukee M18 batteries since 2023 is not evidence that Milwaukee is bad. It is evidence that battery chemistry has a finite cycle life, and when a professional is cycling batteries 6 to 8 times a day, that cycle life is being consumed at a rate the occasional user will never approach. At that usage rate, the economics of the Masterforce rebate math become genuinely interesting. During an 11% Menards rebate event, a Masterforce Boost drill kit nets to $88 effective cost. 3 of those kits cost what one Milwaukee kit costs. If the Masterforce kit lasts 2 years under professional daily use and the Milwaukee kit lasts 6, the cost per year is identical. And the Masterforce kit comes with over-the-counter replacement at any Menards location. No questions, no shipping, no wait. The 40-year carpenter is not wrong. The homeowner who has run Masterforce for 5 years without a failure is not wrong. The contractor who drives to Home Depot is not wrong. They are all describing the same tool from different positions on the duty cycle spectrum. Here is the piece that closes the loop on the original video's central question. The hand tool split in the comment data is the cleanest signal in the entire data set. Multiple commenters, professionals who reject Masterforce power tools, specifically praised Masterforce hand tools. Crowbars, levels, speed squares, hammers. One commenter wrote that Masterforce hand tools are far better than any other brand and have more useful features. Another contractor said the same. The reason is straightforward. A hand tool has no motor to fail under duty cycle stress. A crowbar either holds or it breaks, and Masterforce crowbars hold. A level either reads true or it drifts, and Masterforce levels read true. The variables that separate professional and consumer grade in power tools simply do not exist in the same way in hand tools. The verdict from 655 comments, read in full, is this. Masterforce hand tools belong in every tool bag regardless of profession. Masterforce Boost power tools belong in every garage and every trade situation where daily sustained professional load is not the use case. If you are a homeowner, a light-use renovator, or a professional doing intermittent work across varied job types, the Chervon-built Masterforce platform at 11% rebate prices is a rational professional choice. If you are production framing 5 days a week or running tools hard for 8 hours a day every day, Milwaukee's engineering margin is what you are paying for, and it is worth paying for. There is one more question the comment section raised that the verdict alone does not answer. What if you are somewhere in between? What if you do renovation work on weekends, take on small paid jobs, and occasionally run tools for a full Saturday? That is the largest single segment of the comment section. People who are not production professionals, but are not pure homeowners either. The answer for that group is in the battery platform math. Masterforce Boost runs on a 20-volt ecosystem with batteries that cross-charge across the full lineup. If you are already in that ecosystem with 2 or 3 batteries, the marginal cost of adding another Masterforce tool is effectively the tool price alone. At 11% rebate prices, a second impact driver runs you under $70. That is the cost of a single mid-grade Milwaukee battery with a full tool attached to it. The question is not whether Masterforce is as good as Milwaukee. The question is whether the gap in performance under your specific use conditions justifies 3 times the price. For most people in that middle group, once they run the actual numbers, it does not. The comment section did not settle this debate by picking a winner. It settled it by identifying the question everyone was getting wrong. Masterforce versus Milwaukee is not a quality comparison. It is a use case comparison. And once you know which side of that line you are on, the answer is not complicated. If you found this useful, subscribe. We read every comment on every video we make, and what 655 people told us about this one changed how we think about the next 10.